It's the weekend again, so you can see what they accomplished this week. The connector walls were done, and then T&G over the timber frame at the great room, and to the right of it, the dining and kitchen and the master bedroom. And then conventional trusses and over framing and a lot of the sheathing and roof underlayment, all in 1 week. They again did a great job. And this is what it looks like from the back after 2 weeks. So roof panels, most of the right side sheathed and roof underlayment. They still have the connector in the garage to sheathe, and then move inside to do the ceiling panels and all the interior framing. They did about a quarter of the interior framing last week. So their goal is to get that done this coming week. We'll see how they do. So I don't know if there's enough light for this to come out, but to show you what the interior looks like. That's the pre-finished tongue and groove over the timber frame in the great room. This is the kitchen dining area. And the front door. Stairs going down to the lower level. And then that's just temporary. But into the primary bedroom with a killer view out the front. And the master bath will have ceiling panels that'll go under all the conventional trusses.